Hey guys, and welcome back. If you're trying to send, receive or withdraw crypto on Cash App, you've probably hit a wall asking you to verify your identity fast. So it's a standard legal requirement, but getting through the checks can feel a bit confusing if you don't know what to expect. So I'm going to walk you through the exact verification steps so you can unlock your wallet without any hiccups. Right, so firstly open up Cash App on your phone and head down to the bottom left corner. Tap on the Money tab, which is the icon that looks like a bank building or shows your current cash balance. Then scroll down a little and tap directly on the Bitcoin tile. After that, to trigger the hidden identity checks, scroll down your crypto page and look for the option that says Enable Withdrawals and Deposits, which is this one right here on the screenshot. And also simply you can just try to buy a small amount of crypto. The app will immediately recognize that you need to complete your profile and launch the official verification screens. The first place is all about tax details, so Cash App will ask you to confirm your full legal name, date of birth, and home address. If you're in the US, you'll also need to type your social security number for standard financial compliance. Next, you'll answer a quick multi-choice questionnaire. It'll ask things like your main source of income, employment status, and your primary reason for using Bitcoin. Don't overthink this part, just select the options that best fit your situation, like investing or personal transfer, and hit next. Now for the physical part. You'll need a physical, valid, government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. Lay it down on a flat surface with good lighting to avoid glare, and use the app's camera frame to snap a clear photo of front and back. Then, immediately after, the app will ask for a face scan selfie. Make sure to take off any hats or sunglasses, look straight into the camera, and let the circle scan your face. Once that's done, just submit, and the verification typically takes about 24 to 48 hours for review, and you'll get a direct phone alert the second it's approved. That is it. This is how you get your crypto wallet ready and set up and ready to go. Enjoy as always, and thank you for watching.